What is up, YouTube? Today I'll be making a video on how to remove the hatch in your car, on your Toyota Celica, and it shouldn't be all that hard. What you're gonna need to do is, actually tools you're gonna need is gonna be a number 12 wrench. You're gonna need this side and this one to remove the struts. I'll also be showing you guys how to remove the hatch struts. So you're gonna come over here. There's gonna be these bolts right here. Same, they're gonna be for the number 12. Same thing on the other side. And then you're gonna disconnect this clip behind that panel, so you're gonna have to remove these plastics right here enough so you can get to over there. You're gonna have to fold the seats down as well. Maybe remove that right there. And then remove the struts, which you can do it with the 12 as well. And you're just gonna twist left right here and it should come right off. So hope that makes sense. After you do that, there's gonna be these two bolts down here. You're gonna have to undo them if you're gonna replace the struts. I don't know if you can see them right there and right there. These are 10 millimeters, I think. And yeah, also I'll be showing you guys how to replace the locks, the wiper motor, the windshield wiper, all that stuff. So you're gonna undo those bolts over there, undo this right here. You're gonna undo this and remove all these plastic panels, remove that, and then you're gonna be able to see the stuff that is holding it down over there. So I'm gonna do that right now. You will have to remove the seatbelt over there to get to that spot over here and put the seats down. So hope that makes sense. I'm gonna do that right now and I'll get back to you guys in a second. Alright, so to finish this video, what you're gonna need to do when you remove the hatch is there is gonna be two plugs that are pretty sure for your power. You're gonna have to remove the seatbelt over there, and you don't have to remove this, but you do have to remove this panel up here, which is held in by that right there, which you just use a flathead screwdriver and pop it out, and you can use a screwdriver with that. It's just a long ass screw. That's a 14 millimeter. After you pop that part out, seatbelt comes down, you remove this, and then right around here on this part there's gonna be two plugs that go along here, and that's where that connects to. And then there's this, which connects to just a regular hose under here, under the roof. So you do that, disconnect these on the side right here. You can use a flathead screwdriver, pop it up just to the top, and then pull them out. And then, like I said, these right here is gonna be a number 12 wrench, and that's it. Your hatch should come out. To replace the motor, if you need to, it's gonna be 3 10 millimeter bolts. You're gonna have to undo this, and then for the hatch, the wiper, there's gonna be a little cover on top, which I broke, but it's a 10 millimeter. You remove that and this comes right out. So that's how you do that. To replace your lock, because I'm pretty sure you're gonna have to do it, it's just removing the cover up here, which is just one screw that's right there, and then everything pops out, and then you see your lock right there. 2 10 millimeters. There is a little latch right there, which you just use a flathead screwdriver, pop this out, up, pull this out, and put it to the side, and then put in your new one, same way that this one is, and that should be it. And then you should have a brand new hatch. So this is the one that I have on mine. It says GT because it was from a GT, but pretty happy with it. It doesn't have as much flaws as my other one did. My other one had this messed up. Then the wing on this one is better condition than this part right here. It is also in much better condition, the lights. So pretty happy with it. Hope this video helps someone. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments below. And thank you guys for watching.